Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a card appear in your hand. First, hold a playing card between your thumb and middle finger, keeping it hidden behind your hand. Your palm should face away from the audience. This initial grip is crucial for the illusion. Practice this position until it feels natural and the card is completely concealed. We're aiming for a smooth, effortless reveal. Now, gently curl your index and ring fingers inward, forming a small, hidden pocket. Use your thumb to smoothly slide the card into this concealed space. The key is to make this movement appear as if nothing is happening. Maintain a relaxed hand posture. Tension will give away the secret. This step ensures the card is completely out of sight before the reveal. For the magical reveal, extend your fingers quickly and with confidence. At the same time, use your thumb to push the card forward from its hidden position. The card should seemingly materialize in your hand. Practice this motion until it's fluid and surprising. The speed and conviction of your movement are what sell the illusion to your audience. To master this trick, practice regularly in front of a mirror to refine your angles and movements. Misdirection is vital. Engage your audience with eye contact to draw attention away from your hands. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural and convincing your card appearance will become. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll amaze everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.